If you've ever tried importing a SketchUp model into Blender, you've probably noticed problems like broken geometry, missing textures, or messy meshes. In this tutorial, I'll show you the proper workflow to import SketchUp models into Blender and fix these issues so your models render correctly. Let's get started. We will be using the SketchUp Importer add-on for this. Link in the description. Click on the zip link to download the add-on. The installation process for this add-on is the same as installing other Blender add-ons. Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from Disk, Locate and Install add-on. I've already installed the add-on. To use the add-on, head to File, Import, and select SketchUp. Now locate the SketchUp file you want to import. We've successfully imported our SketchUp model inside Blender fully textured. We can also change the textures and materials of the models. Let's import another SketchUp model. The quality and texture of the model remains the same. We can download these high-quality SketchUp models from 3D Warehouse. Link in the description. Let's try downloading a different model. You can preview your models before downloading them. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.